Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2012 Camry, Toyota Camry right here, and we're going to go over how you replace the lights. So to start with, we need to pop the trunk. We're going to go inside here. This shield does sit in place right here on the side. It's just push pins. To really, you don't have to remove the whole shield. I just happen to already. You only really need to remove a couple here to be able to pull it down and get access to replace the bulbs that are in here. But I've removed the whole thing, so we'll just set it to the side. And we're going to go over how you'd replace this side marker light on the back tail of your vehicle. On the trunk. This light we're in the trunk's popped, we pulled down the shield or removed this, which is that it's kind of a cloth fabric. They're in here, we popped the push pins, we removed it. Then all you got to do is just turn this a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, right? Pull it out. Then you would pull this bulb out and get a new bulb if you needed. And this bulb is a 168, so you would get a new 168 bulb, and then you would put it in, press it in good and tight, and then just put it back in here, line up the tabs. They only really have one direction that line up, so you may just have to kind of twist it around and find which way it goes there. So we've found it. Turn it to the right a quarter turn or clockwise, and that is how you replace that light bulb on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.